Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we have the MG Hector Plus, which is the 6-seater version of the MG. So moving on to the next one, please do consider subscribing if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed. So this car comes with the courtesy of MG Motor India, which is here in Mysore. They have lot of new MG models arrived, and if you're looking to buy a new MG Hector, please do go and visit them. I have left a link in the description for their address and contact number. So in the MG Hector Plus, you get a little bit big grill compared to the normal Hector. You have the DRL and the LED lights, which are like a little bit different from the normal Hector. And now you get the Matrix DRL, which gives a really cool look. And in the front, you have the camera placement just below the MG logo. So moving on to the tire section, you get the same exact tires as the normal Hector, and the same design. The tires are really look cool, and the tire size happens to be 215/60R17. So now let's open the bonnet of the car. So before moving on to the specifications of the engine, so let me tell you one thing: this car and the Compass and the Tata Harrier have the same exact engine, like the same exact engine which has been borrowed from the Fiat. So this car is powered by 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, which produces 168 bhp and 350 Nm of torque. So even the rear size of the tire happens to be the same as the front. You have a little bit of chrome treatments here and there. The stop lamps in this car is really beautiful. It's like everything is LEDs and everything, and you get the logo internet inside, and you get two fake exhaust tips, which gives a nice look to the car. But there is only one exhaust. They have given the two fake for the good looking. So on the left side of the car, you have the Hector Plus badging, and you have the reverse parking camera over there. So to open the boot, all you have to do is press one button. So it does the work for you, like it opens up automatically. So the boot space happens to be 155 liters from 587 liters, because the third row of seats has been introduced now. That's the reason why it has been decreased. So to close the same thing, you have to press a button over there. It closes up automatically. So this car is going to cost around 21 lakh. So for 21 lakh, giving all of these features, it's really amazing. Like it has lot of features, guys. Like for 21 lakhs, it's like amazing car. So in the back, you have the stop lamp and the shark fin antenna. You have the wipers as well. So now let's get inside the passenger side of the car. You get the request sensor for both passenger side and for the driver side. So moving on to the inside, you can see there is a lot of luxury touches inside. For this price point, it's really amazing, guys. Like the piano black finish and the brown beige leather stitching inside, it really feels premium inside. And you get the infinity speakers, which sounds amazing. So you get the electric seats even for the passenger side of the car. There is a lot of cars, like they are around 30 lakh plus, you still don't get the electric seats, but this car gets the electric seats. It's really amazing what MG India has been doing. So you have the glow box, but it's not lockable, but it's not cooled as well. So if you want to keep any of your valuable things, it's not safe inside. So you have the airbag badging over there, and you have brown beige leather stitching in. And with it even has the lumbar support as well. So on the downside, you have the controls for to open the hood and to open the fuel door, and you have some storage space over there. So now let's get inside the car. It really feels premium inside. You have the controls for the power mirror. If you press the mirrors, it like comes inside, and it goes again if you press it. You have the controls for the power mirrors, and you have the controls for the illumination, interior illumination, which is really good option, which is really useful at night while driving. And you have a button for the power tailgate, where you can press the button and the tailgate opens up automatically. So moving on to the center of the interior, you have a big screen which has everything in it. Like I'm telling you, like there is lot of options. You get 3 years subscription of, like you get 3 years completely free internet from the Airtel. You have the controls for the air conditioning as well in the infotainment system. It's not that much responsive, but it's good. It's not like, it's not the best or it's not the cheapest. It's good. It's a good infotainment. Lot of options inside and everything. You can choose all the modes inside. You get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and everything. You have the buttons for the hazard lighting and to start stop engine. You have the button for the traction control in the left side of the car. So on there you can find the USB aux, and there is one more USB for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You get the gear lever directly from the Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has the same gear lever as this car. So you have the 360-degree camera and the rear AC button. Having a 360-degree camera in a 21 lakh car is really amazing. There are a lot of cars which is 40 lakh plus, like Fortuner, Innova, and Jeep Compass. They don't come with a 360-degree camera. This is like a feature loaded car for less money. It's really amazing, guys. Like a lot of features inside the infotainment. So moving on to the center of the car, you get the cooled armrest. Like the cooling has been missed from the glove box, but you have the cooling system in the armrest. So moving on to the steering wheel, you get the same steering wheel and the instrumental cluster from the MG Hector. You have a lot of options to choose with, like the air pressure and the driving time, the current speed, the trip, and with the song which is been playing on the infotainment. Like you can see everything. There is one more crazy feature which is MG is famous for. So you have 100 plus commands you can say. Like you can say hello MG, or either you can press a button and give a command.
I'm here.
Open sunroof.
I'm listening.
Turn down the temperature of air conditioning.
It's 17 degrees and it can't go any cooler. Yes.
Increase the temperature of air conditioning.
Okay, temperature is raised to 18 degrees. Hi, how can I help?
Close the sunroof.
Yes.
Decrease the fan speed.
Decreasing fan speed.
Back to the second row of seats, you have rear AC vents, but you can't adjust the temperature or the speed. You have LED dome lights. The space is pretty good. You have the armrest even for the second row of seats. So when I heard the MG is releasing the 6-seater version, I thought it will be just like the Tiguan. I thought it will be having poor space. It's only meant for children, but I can sit here comfortably. Like there is no big deal. It's comfortable back there. You have a 12-volt charger for your phones or tablets. You can charge your phones or tablet, and you have the AC vent on the side, and you can control the fan speed. You can't control the temperature, but you can control the fan speed. So you have the cup holders as well. It's really amazing. Like I was shocked while sitting back. It has a lot of space on offer in the back. You have it comes with the 6 airbags. Now let's get to the driving and see how the car drives. So driving the MG Hector Plus, so there's a little bit of lag load on offer because it weighs around 1700 kgs. So if you want to do a quick overtake or anything, you just have to work out the gears. Yeah, the car feels very nice to drive. It has some kind of premium feel in it. It feels like driving some kind of an Audi or a Mercedes, and the engine goes all the way up to the 5000 rpm, and you have the reverse tachometers, which is really cool. So now let's do 0 to 100 acceleration now. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe.